Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a Swedish almond cake from True North Kitchen. It's a light, buttery cake with a delicate flavor of almonds. It's simple, uses minimal ingredients, and comes together quickly. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so I was looking through some pound cake recipes online and came across this Swedish almond cake. It sounded interesting, and when I saw how simple it was to put together, I decided to give it a try. What separates this from a standard pound cake is the use of almond extract instead of vanilla. I used parchment paper in the pan along with greasing it and baked it for 40 minutes and it came out perfect. Now on to the taste test. When I cut into the first bite, it was super moist. You can see how nicely it browned on the outside. When I tasted it, the almond flavor from the extract came through and was delicious. The cake was soft and tender and just melted in my mouth. This was hands down one of the best pound cakes I've ever had, and one of the main reasons is the almond flavoring. It's such a nice change of pace from the usual vanilla. Overall, this is a 1,000-star recipe. It was fantastic with the dusting of powdered sugar on top, and I'm sure it would be just as delicious plain. It was soft and tender as well as moist and light. And the real beauty of it is how simple and easy it is to put together with only a few ingredients. So give it a try and see for yourself how wonderful the Swedish almond cake really is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other reviews in my cakes playlist.